What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
I'm sure most of you have heard of Klarna and Affirm. Just in case you haven't, these services allow you to buy items without having to pay up front. So imagine buying a bunch of clothes or other items and spreading the cost over 3 to 6 months. This is a really hot and growing sector. Unfortunately, Klarna is still a private company, so you can't invest here, and a lot of the initial growth has already happened when we look at Affirm. As you can see, Affirm has a market cap of nearly $20 billion. So you can imagine my excitement when I stumbled upon a similar company that is not only in the very early stages of its growth phase, but also operates in one of the largest countries by population density in the world, China. The company we're talking about today is called LexinFintech Holdings, ticker symbol LX. The interesting thing about Lexin is that they have literally no competition. This company is going to be the very first company in China to be entering the buy now, pay later space. So this could end up being extremely lucrative. Lexin's buy now, pay later product is called Maya. Maya is an attractive option for Chinese consumers seeking the flexibility of installment plans without the accompanying cost. Investors are betting that buy now, pay later can ride the boom in Gen Z and millennial spending to grow into a massive industry in China. These younger consumers have already embraced flexible payment products such as Ant Group's Huobi and JD.com's Beito. But buy now, pay later stands out because of its zero interest installments, a model that turns traditional credit on its head. Instead of shoppers shelling out interest payments, merchants pay a fee for transactions to be processed. The result is that buying products becomes more affordable through BNPL. After all, Maya has the upside of installments with almost no downside. And with greater buying power, customers can afford to spend more money with merchants, which can improve the latter's sales too. It's a win-win for both parties. So now that you're aware of how big this opportunity is, let's take a look into the financials. The first thing that struck me is how undervalued this company is. According to Simply Wall Street, Lexin is trading nearly 50% below its fair value. So a price target of $27 would bring the price closer to what it should be when you compare this company with its peers. I also find it interesting that JD.com, which is a huge e-commerce company, is one of the top shareholders in Lexin, so that to me is another positive sign. And today is a major catalyst for this company. After market close, Lexin is going to report fourth quarter and full year 2020 unaudited financial results. So it's going to be interesting to see how their new business model is shaping out to be. So what's the bottom line with this stock and what am I doing? Personally, I haven't started a position in this company yet, but it's definitely on my watch list. Just because of the huge untapped market that they're operating in, I want to first see how well they do in the earnings report today. I would also like to see them pay off some of their debt and strengthen their balance sheet. Currently, the debt to equity ratio is high and stands at over 200%. I might start a position tomorrow, but it all depends on how well they do in the earnings tonight. Anyways guys, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.